from Marfa. We have reached this place last night within the rains actually, hence I couldn't show you anything. We have stayed in this hotel. Marfa is basically a refugee village, a Tibetan refugee village. So that is where we are now. Now we'll be going to Muktinath, which is around 20 kilometers from here, and from there we'll be moving back to this place. The morning with the snow-clad mountains looks nice actually, wherever you are in the world. With this sort of a setting around, it really looks beautiful. So let's go. We just got up. It's around 6:15 a.m. now. It's 6th of April 2024. ঠান্ডা লাগছে।
ঠান্ডা লাগছে?
বাবা খুব ঘুমালাম।
এইটা আমাদের রুম, 10 বিছানার একটা রুম। আমরা তিনজনে নিয়েছি, তাও ছোট মনে হচ্ছে এমন ভাবে।
This is the place that we had stayed last night, and probably we will be staying out today also. It's in Marfa, as you can see, Hotel Sonam. And right now we are going towards Muktinath. It's approximately 20 kilometers from this place, and should take approximately an hour time. So here we start for Muktinath. Way to Dhaulagiri base camp. Wow, what a beautiful place. There's a beautiful ancient Tibetan refugee village of Marfa of Nepal. You can always come here. It's famous for apple plantation, for home production of beer, and not beer, sorry, for brandy and wine. That was the market area, and this is most of the residential parts. Marfa village exit point is on the way. That is it. See, we entered through one gate, and this is the other gate. Very systematically made. The road is as usual, very smooth, with very less stones, no stones actually. We are just bouncing because we love to bounce, that's all. Oh यार, सुबह सुबह खाना खा के निकले, यहाँ पे बाइक चला ले, वैसे ही हजम हो जाएगा सब कुछ। कौन दिखे? কি হলো ওদিকে নয়? ওকে, দাঁড়িয়ে গেলেই মুশকিল। বাবা, এ তো মাঠের মধ্যে দিয়ে আসতো। কোন দিকে? রাস্তাই তো নেই। Wow. As it is said that the difficult roads often lead to the most beautiful places. So it is. কি দারুণ, wonderful. I don't know what peak is that, but এটা কোন peak? Okay, so this is the Nilgiri peak. Constantly cloud is being formed over the top. ওটা একটা গুম্ফা উপরে।
হ্যাঁ উপরে একটা গুম্ফা, এই তো এই রাস্তাটা তো ওই যে ওইদিকে রাস্তাটা দিয়ে ওই গুম্ফাতে যাবে,
হ্যাঁ
এই যে রাস্তাটা দেখা যাচ্ছে ওটা উঠলে কি মারাত্মক লাগবে বলো,
দারুণ লাগবে, দারুণ।
আরেকটা আছে রে।
Okay, so that is Dhaulagiri. That is Dhaulagiri, and this is Nilgiri, which is very, very close and looks very close, with an aerial distance of maximum say around 5 kilometers. And that is Dhaulagiri. Wow. Let's go. Still a long way to go. Let's keep moving. Some sort of campaign is on.
बाइक राइडर हुनाले बाइक सम्बन्धी छैन, यो बाइक सम्बन्धी छ, यो हाम्रो चाहिँ पुरै बाइक सम्बन्धी। यहाँ कहाँ मुक्तिनाथ दर्शन?
हाँ मुक्तिनाथ दर्शन।
ठीक है, आपका स्वागत करते हैं।
दिस इज समुदाय प्रहरी साझेदारी, राइट। शांतिपूर्ण एवं सुरक्षित समाज का लागि सुरक्षित सड़क और सवारी।
बाइक हेलमेट का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सर्वेक्षण करके ये चाहिए क्या क्या लिखा है इसमें चाहिए पढ़ना चाहिए, ठीक है। एक तो जरूरत है, आप इतने दूर लंबे दूर से बाइक चला के आए हो।
So this is the description of the bike and the helmet safety. Mostly this is a safety feature from Nepal police at the border alone, because lots of bikers come here and a lot of incidents of accidents keep on happening. So that is the safety feature. Now let's produce the documents which is required for this transaction.
लो स्माइल।
This is the Jomsom airfield, one of the most dangerous airfields, with a very, very small runway. See, it's a beautiful, beautiful location. And right there is the Nilgiri. There you are. The flight is about to take off. Beautiful. You can stay over here. There are a lot of homestays with thakali kitchen. That's a traditional Nepali kitchen. Phuthang Airport or Jomsom Airport. Jomsom Airport has many places to stay. We can stay over here. There's a good place to stay. There's a very good view of Nilgiri. Absolutely beautiful view of Nilgiri. So the morning and the setting of the sun will be quite attractive, as I think, and a lot of trekking routes start from here, so many people stay over here as well. So you can stay over here for some time. Look at this view. It's looking beautiful. This is en route Muktinath temple after crossing Jomsom. Look at this. Wow. It looks so beautiful. Beautiful. ফাটাফাটি লাগছে ওই জায়গাটা। অনেকটাই রাস্তা বাকি এখনো 20 কিলোমিটার মতো। on. And this is the river. I think that is Kaliganga. So from this bifurcation, take the upper road. এসে গেছে, চল চল চল। Now the altitude is getting higher very fast. There's a steep road right with approximately 30 degrees elevation, and the scenery is going to change abruptly, I'm sure. Wow. 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 পাগলা পাগলা কি লাগছে জায়গাটা। Oof. It's a perfect weather for this. Unbelievable. I mean, I'm just overwhelmed with emotions, you know. See, in every turn, the scenery changes. Look at the view. These wires, high tension wires, are actually becoming a spoil sport. But look at the texture of the mountains, you know, over there. And that is the road towards Muktinath. Mane, just I can't explain in words. When you see such a enormous range in front of you, along with this beautiful road in front that is taking you towards that mountain range. Beautiful, it is beautiful. So many crows. See? Mountain crows, Himalayan crows. Mountain crows everywhere. Bhutti. So it's getting clouded now, and this is the gateway to Muktinath. There's the long staircase that you have to climb. I don't know how many, but I've heard approximately 300 plus. Let's walk in. সব বীরেরা আসছে, মুখে খুব হাসি এখন শুরুতে।
না, আমি যা বুঝলাম আমাদেরকে 5টা করে সিঁড়ি উঠতে হবে, একটা করে ফটো সেশন করতে হবে, দেন উই ক্যান রিচ বাই বিকেল।
অম্লানদা তো এখনো কিছু একটা করার চেষ্টা করছে। This is the rest house for visitors of Muktinath temple. That red gate is the entry point of Muktinath. There's a Lord Buddha statue out there. This is a strange culmination of Hinduism and Buddhism. And there is the map of the temple, and this is the view around. That's the Muktinath township. See, everywhere there is a mark of Buddhism as well, and there is a gompa. I'm still about to reach that stage of faith. That's why I couldn't take the bath, braving this extreme cold. Muktinath temple, also called Chumik Gyatsa, is a symbol of religious symbiosis between both Hindus and Buddhists. The Hindu believes that Lord Vishnu got salvation from the curse of Brinda, therefore he is worshipped as Muktinath. The holy shrine, which is said to have arisen of its own, is one of the 8 such shrines, which includes Tirupati and Badrinath. There are 108 water spouts in the backyard of this temple called Muktidhara, where frozen water is continuously flowing from the bullhead, and 2 kunda, that is the ponds in front of the temple. Taking bath in these 108 water spouts and 2 kunda believes to bring salvation, that is mukti, from the cycle of birth and death. So our Muktinath darshan is over. We are going down to Marfa. The weather is going bad gradually. This is Jomsom, and we had a little bit of food, that is chow mein, from this place, which was unfortunately pathetic. See, all the apples are there, red, green, 300 rupees a kg. An apple wine is 850 rupees a bottle. This region is famous for apples, which are extremely sweet. They charge around 300 rupees per kg. Good apples. Bye-bye. So after a little bit of food, which is actually our lunch, we are moving towards Marfa. We'll be staying tonight at Marfa. A little bit of rest is very much essential after continuous riding of 4 days. So the unfortunate thing happened in this hotel. We booked for 2 nights, but unfortunately when we came back from Muktinath, we were told that you have to leave the hotel because there are a lot of bookings, And still now we had been waiting here for 2 hours packing our luggage, which was extremely scattered everywhere, and we had to take all the trouble. We requested the person to let us stay a lot, actually, even with more money. But ultimately he didn't. So whatever it is, we can call it that we have to check out forcefully from this hotel. So we are moving. Let's go to a place where we get a hotel somewhere nearby, if possible. So I would request each and every one, stay everywhere, anywhere, not in this hotel. A lot of local visitors, since it's a weekend. Today is Saturday. Lots of local visitors are here. They usually come to visit Muktinath. They come here for staying a day. I'm trying to find a good hotel where we'll not unlock our luggages, unpack our luggages. We want a proper parking for that. If it is available, we will stay, or else we'll move ahead towards, as far as we can towards Pokhara. Let's see. So friends, after getting chucked off from Hotel Sonam, we managed, we thought a lot. Ultimately we settled down in Marfa itself. We searched a lot for hotel. Every hotel is booked more or less. Finally we got this hotel, a 3-bedded room, which is costing around 2000 of Nepali rupiah, whatever. As there is a mall road for any of those hill stations, this happens to be something of that sort. With lots of people shopping around and having lots of fun with eateries and little bit of shops in a traditional way of Tibet. It's completely decorated in a traditional way of Tibet. People are posing and taking selfies. But look at the decor of these houses. They are so much traditionally Tibetan. This is yak skin with a fur, and that goes deep inside the village, which is not very far off. That is Dholagiri Base Camp Trek Road. And there is some Gumpa on the top. It is 550 rupees per thali, which comes with chicken. Small little 3 pieces of chicken will come, and along with that is called Thakali kitchen, which is considered to be the traditional dish of Nepal. Everywhere is Thakali kitchen. This is what is called Thakali kitchen. It costs 550 rupees. Thakali thali. And this is the amount of chicken which you get. This Thakali thali consists of so many items in the microscopic forms. See, this is considered to be salad. This is, I don't know what chutney, whatever. So, whenever you plan for Nepal, plan with your responsibility. We don't take any of the responsibilities of your travel. Taito?
One gajorer piece. This is called salad.
And this will cost কত দাম?
This is cost 50 rupees.